Greetings everyone. In celebration of Chandrayaan 3's success, we are introducing a tutorial series focused on ISRO's launch vehicle mesh using GridPro. We are starting with the PSLV, that is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. PSLV earned its title the workhorse of ISRO through consistently delivering various satellites to low Earth orbits. Also, it set a record by launching a remarkable 104 satellites in a single mission. Here, our PSLV model has an axisymmetric rocket body and 5 booster rockets. To achieve a quicker and high quality mesh, we'll adopt the following approach. Establish a periodic domain by creating topology for 1/5 of the body, which includes a booster. Identify sharp convex intersections. Introduce guiding support surfaces for these sharp features to hold the block movement. Create a 2D rotationally symmetric wireframe. Assignments and density balancing. Revolving and creating topology for the geometry's 1/5 segment. Initial grid computation. Addressing the booster rocket. And then the final grid. Stay tuned for the upcoming parts. Thank you.